In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email using Klaviyo. Klaviyo is a powerful email marketing tool that allows you to create and manage campaigns with ease. Whether you're sending out a new newsletter or testing a promotional campaign, it's crucial to know how to ensure everything looks just right before it hits your audience's inbox. So let's dive in and walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to start from the Klaviyo homepage. This is your central hub where all your email marketing activities take place, so becoming familiar with it is key to navigating the platform smoothly. Once on the homepage, look for the Campaigns tab. Clicking on this will lead you to a page displaying all the campaigns you've created so far. This list is where you'll find the email campaign you want to test out. Once you have your campaign list open, take a moment to browse through and find the specific campaign that you want to send a test email for. Found it? Great. Now, look towards the side of the campaign entry. You should see a little three-dot icon. Clicking this icon reveals a drop-down menu with several options. Select Edit Campaign from this menu. The Edit Campaign interface is where you'll start fine-tuning your email. You can click Edit at the top of the page to begin making changes. This is where you have the flexibility to add images, insert videos, tweak the text, and make any other necessary alterations to your email content. If you've been imagining a perfect layout or message, now is your chance to see that vision come to life. After you've made all the adjustments you wanted, look for the Preview and Test button. Clicking this lets you see how your email will appear to recipients, giving you the opportunity to make sure everything's in its right place and aligned with your vision. Previewing is a vital step because it's your last chance to catch any errors or make refinements before it goes out. Now that you're satisfied with the preview, you're almost ready to send a test email. The next step is to enter the email address where you want this test email to be sent. This can be your own email or a colleague's if you want another pair of eyes to give feedback. Type the address in the appropriate field, and with that input, you're ready for the final step. Check everything one last time and click Send Test. This action will prompt Klaviyo to send your test email to the specified address, giving you the peace of mind that comes from seeing your email in a real inbox. It also allows you to double-check formatting and functionality before your audience receives the campaign. And there you have it. Following these steps ensures that your email is polished and professional before going live. Thanks for joining me today, and happy emailing.